that's telling you how this battery is doing as far as charge goes. Hey guys, Brad here with Skyline Construction, and today we're going to be checking out a little DeWalt tool that I always keep in my bag. This is a 12-volt charger. Now you can get this in some of the battery combo packs. They give you like a couple batteries, a charger, and this, but ultimately you can buy these on their own. So the code on this is DCB090. It's a 12-volt charger. Charges up to 1.5 amps, and it's just super handy. If you're into the DeWalt line, I would highly recommend this, especially if you're filming like we do a lot. We use our iPhones, so it's just always nice to have something like this as a backup. I also have battery chargers, but this is just handy to have all the time. So the way it works is very simple. You can slide it onto any 20-volt max battery and it'll just cycle through. So I'll do that again. You might have missed that. So when you put it in, that's telling you how this battery is doing as far as charge goes. So if you don't have a battery like this one that tells you that you have 3 bars, it'll tell you on top. Then you just grab your USB cable, plug it in, and it has 2 ports, and now you're good to plug your phone in. So very handy. You can plug other things into this. I have some USB flashlights, lighters that take USBs, anything basically that you charge with a USB port, this will do it. Your iPad, yeah, it's just endless really. So super handy to have. I really recommend it. So yeah, when I'm at work, I'm on my phone a lot, checking out blueprints, emailing, phoning, all that. So I kill my battery life very fast. Sometimes it's almost drained by lunchtime. So if I ever forget my backup batteries for my phone, I love having this just available. It's bailed me out of a lot of things, but also because it can fit in my pocket very easily. Yeah, it's kind of heavy, it's kind of big, but it still does the job. You can toss it in your pouch, and it just allows you to have lots of power. You don't have to use the slim batteries. You could use a larger battery. There's a flex volt. Slap that on. Boom. Now you can charge all day. This is the 6 amp hour flex volt. So a little bit overkill, but if you've got a lot of guys and they all need to charge their phones, why not have something like this? And then there's no worries. You're going to be able to charge. So yeah, another little handy tool just to recommend out there. If you're looking for a decent battery charger and you're on the DeWalt platform, I'd say pick one of these up. So yeah, let me know what kind of chargers you guys are using. Leave some comments down below. Hit that subscribe, that notify bell. Thumbs up if you like it. Until next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.